111, we see, I mean, some people will see 1111 and they'll see 111. And one is definitely the pioneer, the trailblazer, number of new beginnings. We talk about nine being the end of a cycle and then one being the beginning, because in mathematics, we have base numbers 1 to 9, and we have zero, which is more of a placeholder. It doesn't do anything because we have 2 plus 0 is 2, and 2 minus 0 is 2. So it doesn't do anything. So the 1 to 9, once we get to the one, it is that go time. It's like the first physical number in numerology. So it wants you to go and do and trailblaze and pioneer and get it done. Take action. So when we see that 1111 or 111, we get the message that, okay, it's time to go. It's like these straight lines. It's telling you to go, to do, and also the definition of the one. So you get this feeling, and I always get this feeling when I see it, and a lot of other people have confirmed the same, is that it's like a nod from the universe or a feeling you get that says, yeah, okay, thank you for that confirmation. Thank you for telling me that whatever I'm focused on, I'm doing the right thing. It's the right way to go to keep moving forward in that direction.